If you work in distribution, you know the pressure. Your customer needs material now, inventory is tight, and large minimum orders force you to overbuy just to stay in stock. Stockouts strain customer relationships, overbuying ties up cash and warehouse space, and overseas lead times make replenishment unpredictable. For distributors, it's a constant trade-off between service and risk. That's exactly the problem Iten designed QuickShip laminates to solve. With Iten, distributors get QuickShip without large minimum order quantities, so you can lower inventory investment, avoid stockouts, and fulfill customer needs faster. You can mix and match across SKUs, helping balance inventory and improve turns. You can consolidate orders for better economics, delivering higher customer satisfaction with less inventory risk. And when it really matters, Iten's QuickShip laminates offers more flexibility, so you can resolve urgent customer issues immediately. All backed by reliable domestic manufacturing, no containers, no long waits, no guessing. Just-in-time replenishment that reduces risk, improves cash flow, and helps you make more money. When your customer needs an answer now, who do you call? Iten QuickShip laminates, built for distributor reality.